Imagine a world without alarm clocks, where instead, you hired someone called a knocker-up to wake you by tapping on your window with a long stick. Before the invention of the modern alarm clock, this quirky profession was the go-to solution for time management in 19th and early 20th century Britain and Ireland. Knocker-ups would roam the early morning streets with their tools, often pea shooters or batons, ensuring factory workers and laborers rose on time for their shifts. Payment was typically made weekly, and some even used intricate systems of tapping that varied by customer. This unusual job reflects a time when urban life demanded punctuality but technology hadn't yet caught up, creating a unique human alarm system. The reliance on such a personal wake-up call highlights the creativity and resourcefulness of past societies in solving everyday problems. Imagine the trust and personal connection involved, your punctuality dependent on a stranger's tap.